Good morning, everybody. My name is Terry Lee Marzell, and today I would like to talk to you about a book which I recently read. The book is called Nothing to Envy: Ordinary Lives in North Korea. It's written by Barbara Demick, a journalist who spent quite a number of years there. The reason why I think this would be a good book for everyone to read is because North Korea has been in the news quite a bit lately, and it's always good to know or good to learn things about other countries and other cultures, particularly if what is going on in those countries is affecting what's going on here in the United States. The book chronicles the lives of 15 North Korean individuals who come from the same general small town in North Korea. And it talks a lot about their lives there and how repressive the government and the political climate is, and how afraid they are to even say one word of complaint because if they were turned in for saying something against the government by a friend or a relative or a neighbor, then they could potentially spend the rest of their lives in a gulag. And it also talked a lot about the starvation conditions there and how 20% of the population has passed away because they just starved to death. Very, very sad. And the author also talks about how each one of these 15 individuals managed to, individually and independently of each other, escape North Korea, their journeys of escape, their methods of escape, and then what their lives were like once they arrived in South Korea. I think you'll find it very fascinating. And then the one story that I really found the most fascinating was the story about the teacher, the kindergarten teacher, Miran, and how the kindergarten teacher was describing the conditions in her classroom and how indoctrinated herself she was expected to continue the indoctrination for her students, and how she was expected to teach lessons with very little in the way of materials and equipment. The technology was just non-existent, and how sad she was for the conditions that her children had to live under because, they were starving, so they would come, wrapped in layers and layers of clothes to try and keep warm. And then when she unwrapped all these layers of clothes, they were so tiny underneath because they were so malnourished. So I really feel like if you want to get a sense of what people in North Korea are experiencing, then it would be a great book to read. Nothing to Envy: Ordinary Lives in North Korea, written by Barbara Demick. Have a great day and teach a great day. Goodbye.